Extrajudicial killings, lack of accountability,
what is the
corruption.
what is the source of extrajudicial killing? You know, when you keep penjo gite. Kidwa thiedho tuo, ing'iyo ni tuo kanye. And I kwayo my fellow panelists, wabedo open-minded matin. Kikipinga nikech support conclave. Kidwa thiedho tuo, ing'iyo ni gini wakanye. Problem wa kaka piny en economy. Talking it's not the first time mwatemo mondo wabigi an economic charter or a declaration, a document equivalent to the constitution. In fact, the economic charter should even be superior to the constitution, because before right niobi nyakichiem komonde, you must have something in the pocket. Yes. And that's why just a minute, let me finish. That's why that document should even be superior to it should be a declaration kaka economy ma Kenya ibiro ta. A declaration kaka jo Kenya biro bedo gi proper health care. A declaration kaka jo Kenya biro yudo tije mondo wabende wanyalo bedo economy ma thrive kaka China and so on. Iwinjo? Koro okenyalo wacho ni okonyal tamre wuoyo. Nyaka wuo mondo wabigi that document. Possibly with that document, then koro rais mora mabiro ibiro tichamo your 10 years kitayo through the economic charter, the constitution. Ibiro itayo your 10 years iluwa mana economic charter, the constitution. Okay, ngatama biro gi his own confusing formula. That's the agenda. So do you agree about it or not?
You cannot pose a question to me after giving a whole